Hi guys, welcome to CATIA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 3D product, and this final product is a pipe. Pipe is a very useful, and today discuss here a very important and okay okay guys. Okay, this is a very important, and this 2D drawing is discussed here one by one. Is all process is one by one is learner, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a section view, and all point is discussed here easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a final product is pipe, and this is a very useful and helpful. Okay, and guys, okay, let's start here and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and final product is pipe is drawing here. Okay, okay, and isometric view is also available here, and this is a okay, this is a very nice, and this fillet is used here, and okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, let's start here. Okay, okay, at first select a part and click OK, and all setting is some setting is discussed here. Okay, at first okay, this is a fully okay, and plain white. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, at first drawing a front plane. Okay, and select this is a front view, and this is a very looking nice here, and okay, this length is a 210 millimeter, and this length is also 210 millimeter, and this length is 210 millimeter, means this is a equal distance. Okay, and this fillet is a 130. Okay, at select a line is a this, select a this. Okay, and click a this and select. Okay, this is a this. Okay, and again select a line is a this drawing is a this, and okay, and select okay. Okay, and this point is a tangent, and also this point is also tangent. Okay, and this select a first this line, and this line, and this line is 3 is a all is equal. Okay, and both this is a this, select a this, and this is a equal. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a this is a distance is a 210 millimeter, and this 130 millimeter is okay, and select a 210. Okay, all is perfect, and select this 130 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is fully defined. This is a black color, means this is a fully defined. Okay, okay, and next is a correct, and next is a select a circle diameter is a this is a 140. Okay, and exit, and select a plane is created here, and select this point, and this line is a this point, and this line is a correct, and okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle, and this circle is diameter is 140. This is a 140 millimeter is correct. Okay. Okay, and use this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a correct. This is a fully defined is correct. Okay, and exit and use a swept boss base. Okay, and automatic is select here a sketch, and select next is a path is select here. Okay, and one important point is discuss here. This thickness is a use a thin, and thickness is 20 millimeter. Select a thin feature, and this thickness is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and this plane is hide because this board is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a correct, and next is a this circle is drawing here is 320 millimeter, and this thickness is 40 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this face sketch normal, and draw a circle is this, and this is a 320 millimeter is perfect, and again select this, and convert entities is select here. Okay, and extrude boss, and this thickness is a 40 millimeter, and this is a offset. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a 40 millimeter is direction is reverse, and okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and at first select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a this. Okay, drawing a circle. Okay, and this radius is a 20 millimeter. Okay, this radius is a okay 40 millimeter. Okay, this is a 40 millimeter, and this point and this circle is drawing a distance is 132 is okay. This is a perfect, and this point and this select press a control button, and select this, click a vertical, and this is a fully defined. Okay, this 132 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and select exit and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a very important. One point is a discuss here, up to surface is this, and okay. Okay, and select use a pattern, and pattern is a this circular pattern. Okay, select this, and this circular edge is select here, and this feature means this, and this is a 360 degree and 8 equal spacing. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and next is select this sketch normal and draw a circle. Circle is this. Okay, and mention dimension. Dimension is this 320. Okay, and select a 320 and this convert entities is select here. Okay, and this point and this point is a vertical. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this point and this point is a okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss. This thickness is 40 millimeter and this is a direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect and click OK. Okay, and use a this face sketch normal and drawing a circle. Circle is drawing here and mention this dimension. Dimension is 40 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between to this center to center is a 132 millimeter. Distance between these two center, a small circle and big circle is drawing 132 millimeter, and this is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is correct and perfect, and click exit and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface means select this surface and click OK, and select a pattern. Pattern is this circular pattern, and at first select this edge, select here, and next is this select a feature. Okay, and feature is select here and use this 360 degree and pattern is at equal spacing and all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and material is apply here. Okay, this is a metal and click a nickel. Nickel is polish nickel. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a okay, this fillet is radius is 15 millimeter. This fillet is used here and all is drawing is perfect. One okay, and this fillet is used here and this is a 15 millimeter, and select this and select this, click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and all point is perfect. Okay, and one point added here, a chamfer is used here and chamfer is 10. Select this and select this, click OK. Okay, this is looking perfect. Okay, and isometric is also better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.